Hey guys, this is Ron here, the Cowboy Prepper. Needed to come to the range today, set the scope on my 30-30 rifle. It's a NC Star 4x32 scope. It's not a real expensive one, about $125. But it was on my AR, and I needed something. I wanted a truck gun that wasn't very expensive, and this Glenfield Marlin 38 kind of fit the bill there. It's kind of rough. I don't have to worry about it getting skin up or anything, but I keep it in my truck most of the time, and when I do go riding horses, hunting off my horse, I can do a quick release scope, so I can put this rail on it so I could take it off and put it back on and keep my scope zero. So anyway, I got it close the other day and started getting low on ammo, and I didn't want to use all my ammo up to get it just right. So I've got some more ammo, and I'm back here at the range going to get it zeroed and perfect, because guess what, next week, for all you legal gun hunters, deer season starts. So for the ones that's illegal, it don't matter. They don't have a date that it starts. But anyway, us legal guys, gun season starts next week, so I'm going to get this thing ready to go. That's what I'm doing today. Hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, most of y'all know when you're sighting in scope or your sights, the way we did it in the military was in 3-shot bursts. And you take those 3 shots, use them as a group, and hopefully give you a good idea of where you're set at. So we're going to put 3 shots downrange, and we're going to go check it and see how close we are. We shouldn't be that far off, I do not believe, but like I said, I didn't get to finish up, but I want to get it close. I want to get it right on there if I can, because when that deer comes out and I pull down on it, I want to know what I aim at is what I shoot. Okay, let's go down range, see what happened. There's not a whole one in it, but ain't that interesting? I really wasn't expecting that. So we're going to come back now, and I'm just going to aim for the big target, and we'll see how far we are off. Never know. That's why we're here, right? I had a problem when I got the rifle. It wouldn't extract the shells most of the time. I had to file the extractor down with a Dremel tool, and since I've done that, it's been working just perfect. Action's not as slick as I would like, but all in time. Tell you what, 30-30 shells are expensive. So I'm going to stop right here with 2 shots and see where I'm at on the big target. Give me an idea so I can adjust the scope as necessary. Okay guys, I'm really surprised. Y'all can see right there where my 2 shots are. High and to the left. We'll go back and make sure my scope is on like it's supposed to. That quick release didn't throw it off too much, because it wasn't nowhere near like that the other day. But we're way high. Scope appears to be mounted just fine. Okay guys, I'm going to fast forward through me going down range and checking my target, coming back, shooting, making adjustments. I've done that several times. I had been at the range 3 weeks ago and had the scope pretty close. But as when I ran out of ammo and went to get some more, the big box store was out of 150 grain. So I opted for the 170 grain bigger bullet. Thought, well, I'm deer hunting, let's just use it anyway. Okay, this is what's happened, guys. I did not realize, I've never claimed to be a expert on guns by no means, and I did not realize that much difference in the grain of the bullet would make the weapon shoot completely different, and it did. As you can see, I was about 12 inches higher with 170 grain ammo, and if I had just put that ammo in my gun and went deer hunting, I would have more likely missed the deer. So guys, keep this in mind when you do go buy your ammunition. If you're buying a different grain, more than likely your gun's going to shoot different. That's what the case was here, and for that reason, it took me quite a while to get my scope in adjustment. So just a little bit of tidbit for some of you guys like me who aren't that gun savvy, but like guns and like to hunt. We learn every day, don't we? Last shell, I'm just going to go ahead and shoot. Alright. Let's go see what our pattern is. Okay guys, here's what I got. This is my pattern. I did pull off one to the right. I thought I did. I saw I had one more shell left before I was completely empty, so I decided to go ahead and use it. This is my pattern. It's at 100 yards. I'd love to have a tighter group, but with what little bit of practicing I've had with this rifle, this is about as good as I'm gonna get. You know, it ain't like my AR or AK that you can shoot a whole bunch of rounds for little or nothing. It's $20. It's $1 a shot for that 30-30. So you want to make them count. I've just shot a whole box, sighting it in, getting it right, but that's okay. At 100 yards, I know I can kill a deer. 150, I might not want to try to do it, but that's my limitations of me, my rifle, my scope, with my limitations with what I've got. But that's okay. I think I can work with this. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day. Remember guys, tough times don't last. Tough people do.